Auckland Outboard Boating Club. Few clubs can boast the benefits enjoyed by members of the Auckland Outboard Boating Club, all on the same site. Located on Tamaki Drive, Hauraki. On the doorstep to the Hauraki Gulf and Waitemata harbour, the OBC, as it is commonly referred to, offers a huge range of facilities not seen on the same premises anywhere else in New Zealand. There are 15 concrete all-tide launching ramps, 2 of which are open to the public, providing their vessel meets minimum safety standards. As well as the marina, the club offers hard stands to members for long-term boat storage. There are 10 washdown stations, toilet and shower facilities, a filleting station, the Heart of Kai Ika Sustainable Fishery Program, where all parts of the catch are utilised, along with several tractors available for launching and retrieving members' boats. Both diesel and petrol are available at the fuel berth, and bait and ice is sold on site. Club rooms with bar and catering facilities are open to members and their guests. The club is Blue Flag accredited and has several full-time staff, including 24-hour security. There is parking for more than 80 vehicles and trailers on site, as well as dedicated parking for berth holders.